Hi guys!
Hi. It's Mecca to Addie.
It's Addie's day.
It's Addie's day. All day.
Yeah.
All day. All day.
All
day.
Picked up the slime.
You're going in with our hands.
Your hands too.
My hands are in. Let's move this up so I don't want to get my hands on
Hey,
nothing.
And now they always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.
Good morning, Z Squad. Today we're gonna spend the day at Wally World, and we're gonna make some slime. So we have to go get the ingredients right now. So catch you at the house.
We in a Walmart. Great value, baby. We swiping, man. We swiping. Man, we never ever overpay. Walmart, prices always low, so we save. Walmart, I swear we could spend a couple days. Walmart, steady stacking toilet paper. Walmart, okay. Told me Target better, told that girl like no way. Hey, I might go just got me a steak. Hey, I might get some protein, now I feel like I'm Jake. Buff nurse. Hey, yeah, $9.99 no pajamas. Hey, save half price on bananas. Hey, I just bought 2% milk. Ugh, I just seen two different down the aisle in the car. Ay, I'm lifting up my legs to fart. Hey, I know why the mother boys hate. They hate, cause these feels really got the cakes. Man, we never ever overpay. Walmart, prices always low, so we save. Walmart, I swear we could spend a couple days. Walmart, steady stacking toilet paper. Walmart. Okay.
The other fish.
I walk in with no shirt, no shoes. I got no shape. I'm in that grocery aisle. I just picked up OJ.
Right out of the fish tank and landed on the
GLP.
table, so it's
Don't
dead
forget
now.
the yo plate. Okay.
Yeah.
Just picked up a wool shirt. I'm riding with my chauffeur. We don't mess with Kroger. My flow cold as stove first. I'm popping like a toaster. I'm whipping all the mowers. Chilling in the garden aisle. I'm a grower, not a shower. What you doing out this late at night?
Ooh, that was
Walmart,
colorful.
I might find my future ex-wife. Walmart, running through the aisles with some knives. Walmart,
$7.24
I just
on fish
copped the
dinner
syrup with
for
the
that small?
Sprite. Walmart.
I don't think that's gonna fill me up, you know?
Grow up though.
I know. I don't think that's gonna fill me up when I'm ready to eat them. What do you think?
These are $2.27.
That's gonna be. So how many do we need to get to fill us up?
Maybe 1,000.
Yeah. So we're not gonna eat those today.
Last one.
Kadoosh.
It's too heavy, I don't want to carry it.
Well, see you later.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
Hi guys!
Hi. It's Mecca to Addie.
It's Addie's day.
It's Addie's day. All day.
Yeah.
All day.
This is exactly where we sat at Wally World.
In a Walmart.
That's exactly what you said at Wally World. You said that we're gonna be at Wally World all day long. We were there literally only like 8 minutes.
You need to get back to the video.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
This.
Making this. Okay, what are we making?
We're making slime.
Slime. Like that slime that comes out of your nose?
No, that's mucus.
Oh. Making slime like the camera guy?
No. Okay, let's start.
Okay, let's start. So what do we have here?
We have glue, saline solution.
This glue here? Okay.
Gallon.
A gallon? A gallon? Why do you have a gallon of glue?
Because we're making a good one. I bet. God, I bet.
A gabagaba? A gabagabagabu?
A big
A big one. Okay.
We got some saline solution
So what is this for?
to activate the slime.
So wait a minute. You're gonna activate? Is it like a bomb? Is it gonna like just blow up? I was just wondering. Oh, we can't use those words? Bomb, blow up, explosive.
No,
Was
YouTube will cut out that off our video.
For the bomb? Are we making a bomb? Oh,
We'll
okay.
cut it off. We got baking soda,
Baking soda. I got baking soda.
a spoon,
We got
and a
the
big
baking soda, baking soda. Okay, I'm cool. Now, is this the baking soda? So we're gonna eat this?
No.
Oh, I thought that's what
We
baking
got
soda
a
is.
large spoon,
So you are gonna eat this, and this is like your bowl.
and we got a bowl.
See, bowl, spoon, milk, cereal flavor.
And this is just the receipt.
Just the receipt. That was just money I just paid.
Okay, now
Okay, so what do we do?
we need to take the glue.
Okay, take it. I'm taking it.
No!
I'm gonna take it. Here. I'm gonna take
Walk
it.
out the door, you
Just
see
taking the
someone
glue, just
that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
We're gonna take it. You mean open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you?
Huh?
No, it's not milk.
That was milk. So what am I supposed to do with this? Oh.
Can you pour it in the bowl? No! Bowl!
Oh, in here.
Bowl!
Okay.
There's
I got your hand. Ooh, I almost got your hand.
something in it.
Ooh.
Long like Donkey Kong.
It's unlike Donkey Kong. Try squeezing it. Tabby Tubbies.
Teletubbies. It's a
Winky winky. Dipsy. La la. Po.
baby show.
That's a bit. Is that the show you still watch?
No, I used to.
Hey, she still watching Tabby Tubbies.
William. I mean, not William.
She's giving out names. If you look for
Back in
William,
the boy's brother.
if you look for Backhead's boy brother, his name is William. You can find him. Say what's up.
Yeah. And so, Back and Boy's brother, which is I told you in the vlog, you can go back and see what his name is. Cuckoo Head.
Yeah, but it was
Boy.
Cuckoo Head Boy.
And so,
Look at
that's the brother's
that. You want to go
name.
swimming in here? Like when you look at it, you want to go and go swimming.
Okay.
Wait, it's not done. Every drop. We're making the world's biggest.
Somebody already made bigger slime than this. They used 3 bottles of this.
Why didn't you tell me that? You know what? If we get 50 likes on this video, 50, not the cops, but 50 likes, you know what we're going to do? We're going to get 10 of these and put it in a swimming pool and make the world's biggest slime bucket, basket, slime, mucus ball ever. Okay, I think we're good with this, Chloe.
I'm gonna eyeball this
You're gonna eyeball it?
baking soda.
Like this. I'll eyeball it for you.
No.
I'm eyeballing it.
No,
you
that's
can
not what you're
eyeball.
supposed to do.
Oh, okay, sorry. That, what kind of eyeball is that? What the what?
Okay. Yeah, this is my job.
Wait, hold on. Back in the nose. Anybody else want some soup?
No, I'm gonna do it.
Oh, okay. We can do it together.
No.
Making soup. We were making soup together.
You can watch.
Okay, can watch. Yes, Backhead Boy. He's giving us the high five sign. You want a high five? Oh, is that the stop sign? Okay, we gotta stop. Hold it.
One eternity later.
Action? We good? Are we back on? We back on?
Yeah.
You serious?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, why's your teeth all blinking over there? Everybody wants. Hey,
Crowns.
let's see Backhead Boy's teeth. Let's see it. Open your
Man, I just
mouth.
wanna go flex. Hold on,
Not your
teeth
teeth.
and on my
Look at those things. That boy's blinging. That boy's blinging. All right. Let me mix some up too. Let's see.
Okay.
And do we need more? Do you think we need to eyeball more?
Maybe. Let's do it a little more.
Let's do a little bit more.
Okay.
That's all. Are you sure?
I think we might need more.
Becca Boy just stole my gum. I'm so mad at him right now. Like, he just, like, straight up took it. Like, I don't know what happened, but...
Yeah,
Oh,
I
no, I
walked
got
over there. It was sitting on there, and I picked a piece.
Hey guys, this is how you make Laffy Taffy
And a slime swirl.
and a slime swirl.
Go with that. And
With
then,
skin color.
yeah.
With skin color. That looks like from a pig or something. Hey,
Slime swirl.
slime swirl, hold this for a second. Hold that.
Freddy.
Freddy,
Becca Boy.
wait. You gotta hold that for a second.
Okay.
Right here. Right here. Up here. Up here. Up here. You got it? We focus?
Yeah, focus.
Guys, this is a serious announcement. This is what you're eating at McDonald's. This is McDonald's food. This is how they make their burgers. If you don't believe me, check out how burgers are made from McDonald's. This message is...
I'm sorry, McDonald's.
What's the word I was looking for? Come on, quick. No, not that word. Yeah. Hey Z Squad, thank you so much for participating, subscribing to the channel, continue watching the vlogs.
And remember, if you get 50 likes, we can do 10 of them.
And if you have any comments on regards to what you like to see, let us know.
Yep.
And Z's out.
Addie's out.
All right, let's be out.
Bye. Hi.
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 Hi. Let's go step on a slime.
Hi. Okay.
All right, there you go.
And now they always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.